Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing an Easter Get Ready with me. I'm sorry for the lack of videos recently. I've been trying to find like my grind on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for 200 subscribers, that's so exciting. And thank you guys for blowing up my How I Got a Job 14 video. That makes me so happy that we are at like 17,000 views on that, I'm pretty sure. So thank you guys for that so much, and yeah, let's get on with this video. Alright, so first we are going to be doing my makeup, and I'm going to start off with a primer, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Sorry, mine is very messy because I use it a lot. So I'm just going to take it on my finger, and I'm just going to put some on my face. Alright, and then now that we are a little bit blurred and our pores are filled in with that, I'm going to go in with an illuminating primer now. So I'm going to be going into my trusty NYX Honeydew Me Up primer. I'm almost out of this one. I love it so much. So I'm just taking it with the applicator. It's so like sticky. And just putting that on my face. Oh, my hair is in that. I'm gonna put my headband on. Oops, my bad. It's like so hard to get out sometimes, I swear. I just wanted to say happy Easter to everybody. Even if you don't celebrate it, I hope you have a great Sunday. This will be going up the day after Easter, hopefully. So, hope you guys all had a great Easter. We are going to be going to Topgolf later, so that's exciting, something to do. This was my spring break week, so I have to go back to school tomorrow, unfortunately, but school's almost over, so we're getting there. We're gonna be juniors, y'all. Okay, so now it's time for foundation, and I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Foundation with medium to full coverage in shade F3. Here it is. My pump is broken, unfortunately. So I'm just going to open it and put it on the back of my hand. Okay, and I'm going to grab my beauty blender real quick. And I'm just going to start going in, y'all. I'm sure you guys all heard about that KVD foundation. I tried to get my hands on it. Couldn't. They were sold out all over the place, and then I started hearing bad reviews about it. So I don't know, if you tried it, please leave a comment about how you liked it, because I've heard like mixed reviews. I have extremely dry skin, so so if that helps. I've heard like people with dry skin like it, people with oily skin don't, so I don't know, but I've also heard people with dry skin not like it, so I'm not too sure. Sorry if I sniffle. I've got allergies. They're so bad right now. Like, my eyes are itching so bad. No bueno. Alright, so now I'm going to cream contour with the NYX Wonder Stick in light medium. With, of course, the contour side. This stuff is so good. Like, I want to try the Charlotte Tilbury one, but again, it's sold out, so I can't right now. It looks so good. So, and now I'm going to blend it out with the same beauty blender. It's just so sheer, and it still gives me that color, because I have a really bad issue with contours looking like so dark on my skin, unfortunately, so yeah. Alright, now time for concealer. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Rose. Love this concealer so much. Just gonna put some on. Not too much. We don't want to look insane. Cover any blemishes. I look insane. don't want to look insane, but then I look insane. Oop. Alright, now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in Fair. It's the loose powder with just a powder brush, and I'm going to lightly set my makeup. I really don't know what to talk about. I might be getting a new filming room, like not my bedroom. So stay tuned for that. That might happen like May-ish. So very exciting. So hopefully there'll be more videos coming out. I just like need video ideas, like y'all. Please give me video ideas because I have none at all. So help please. Alright, so now that we are all set, I'm gonna go do my eyebrows off camera, so I'll be back when those are done. Okay, I look insane because I have nothing else on my face, but I just did my eyebrows. I used the Anastasia Dip Brow and Taupe, and then I used their eyebrow gel, oh my gosh, and Taupe. So yeah, I think they look pretty good, considering I'm not doing my usual setup. So now we're gonna go into the Physicians Formula All-Star Face Palette. Looks like this. I love this palette. And we're gonna go into the blush in here, right here, with the hearts. I got my blush brush. LOL. I'm gonna dip into that shade. I love it. It's like a beautiful, like, light blush. Alright, and then now we're gonna go into the same palette, and I'm gonna go into the highlighting shade right here. See that light glow? Beautiful. We're not going for anything crazy today because it is Easter Sunday, so. And actually I'm gonna stay in this palette for the rest of my makeup, so for my eyes. Alright, so I'm gonna go into a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here. It's the bronzer, and I'm just gonna start lightly putting that into my crease. Just give me a little bit of color. I'll put that under my eye as well. Alrighty. There goes the palette. I just dropped it. That was that for me. Our room's a hot mess, but we're like redoing our house, so. And then I'm gonna go into this rose petal shade. It's a highlighter for darker skin tones. And I'm gonna put that on my inner corner, mixed with some of the other highlighting shade. Mwah. Time for the part that I think brings everything all together, mascara. Okay, so I'm just curling my eyelashes with this generic eyelash curler. There's like stuff in my eyelashes still. We're going with one of my favorite mascaras of all time. This is the Maybelline New York Sky High Mascara. It's right here. And I'm just gonna start putting it on. Mascara is pretty self-explanatory. Alright, now we're going with some Burt's Bees because I'm wearing a mask, so I don't want to get my lipstick all over the mask. Alright, and now we are done with the makeup. So now I'm gonna go get dressed, do my hair, and I'll be back with you guys in a second. All right, I did my hair. Just use a curling iron. And then for my outfit, I have this cross necklace on, this white knit peplum top, and then I've got just regular blue jeans from, I think, Kendall and Kylie. I got at TJ Maxx, so yeah. Yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like down below and subscribe. I'm on the road to 500 subscribers, so hopefully we can hit that by my birthday, which is July 15th. Let's try to do that, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna put Easter earrings in there downstairs, but they're little bunnies. I might vlog some, like when we dye eggs later and stuff, so that might be in the video, it might not. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and goodbye.